Nuclear power plants generate carbon-free electricity in 30 countries around the world. Nuclear-generated electricity is similar to fossil fuel-generated electricity. A nuclear energy facility provides clean and efficient energy 24 hours a day. In either coal, nuclear, or natural gas power plants, the objective is to heat water into steam, which powers an electric generator. This turbine is pushed by steam that is turning an electromagnet, which generates electricity. Coal, oil, and natural gas power plants gain their power through burning their fuel of choice. Nuclear power plants gain their energy through splitting of atoms. Safety is a huge topic for nuclear power generating stations, and is among the safest facilities in the world. These safety goals are met through redundant procedures and practices, which ensures proper safety requirements. Uranium-235 is encased inside fuel rods inside the reactor and is known as the fuel assembly. The rods are submerged into a pressurized vessel of water. There are two types of reactors: boiling water reactors and pressurized water reactors. In boiling water reactors, the heat from splitting atoms is used to boil water, and the steam is used to turn a turbine which generates electricity and is condensed and returned to the reactor. In a pressurized water reactor, or commonly known as PWR, the water is heavily pressurized to disallow boiling. The water then passes through a lower pressurized circuit of water, which absorbs the heat energy and boils, causing steam to generate electricity. This design came after the boiling water reactor design. In the PWR design, there is a building or a part called the condenser, which is a loop of water that is cooled and used to cool the loop number 2 water, which is then used to be heated again in the reactor. To control overheating, control rods, which are made of materials designed to absorb small atomic particles, are lowered into the water to cool the reactor and raised to create more heat. The control rods can be totally submerged to stop the reactor in case of emergencies or refueling. With this control, the technicians are able to ensure the facility is creating safe and clean energy. Additional safety measures are in place to ensure that the reaction process stops and the heat is moved away from the reactor. Thick physical barriers are in place to keep radioactive particles from leaving the facility and entering the environment. Nuclear fission is the cleanest and most effective way to generate electricity in the world, and with proper support can lead us into a cleaner tomorrow and a better future for our children.